Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I want to share with you one that, as usual, they really say shall never end. See, when we are saying it that the release of Mazinam the Kanu, the southeastern part of Nigeria, let us check the governors, let us check the leaders. They say no, why are you saying that? We say no. Before Tinubu will take action, before Tinubu will take really action to release Nnamdi Kanu, he make sure that the governors don't put pepper for a body. Can you imagine all the name of saying that I'm calling for the release of Nnamdi Kanu? Tinubu meet these people direct, life and direct, face me, I face you. They could not ask for the release of Nnamdi Kanu in a more serious note. When will they ask? And immediately after Tinubu left, hey, come and see them. Hey, we is releasing Nnamdi Kanu. Hey, you will release Nnamdi Kanu. Only for newspaper will they hear am. Now listen to the barrister, and I'll be right back.
My people, this is the Federal High Court, Abuja. Where Nnamdi Kanu is facing, Nnamdi Kanu is facing trial. Nnamdi Kanu applied that the judge should recuse herself because of bias. And since then, the judge ordered and rescued herself from handling the matter. So, and getting to 1 year now, one expected that the CJ of Federal High Court, as a matter of urgency, should have reassigned the case to another judge. But up to now, nothing has happened. And we expected Attorney General, the Minister of Justice, who came and said that Nnamdi Kanu has a case to answer, to come, if they actually have a case before against Nnamdi Kanu, to come with to come and make the application to ensure that the matter is being reassigned. But that they never did. But on our own, we are the defense team. We have applied that the matter should be reassigned. After seeing Nnamdi Kanu, I went to see him today. That is 8th day of January 2025. So he's hell and hearty and committed to his struggle. So I'm ready to face the trial. That one is on that. Attorney General that has been going around saying that they have we expected them to apply to ensure that the matter was being reassigned so as to get a date, so that the matter will be had accelerated, will be given an accelerated hearing. But now nothing has happened. So we have applied, believing that the CJ will reassign the matter. On the other hand, when I just came by, I've been in the southeast for the past 2 weeks for Christmas and New Year's celebration. I had some people asking what is the Ohaneze, the land that Ohaneze, Ndibo. The Igbo political leaders, they are not doing anything. Both the Igbo political leaders, the Igbo religious leaders, Igbo traditional leaders, they are not doing anything with respect to Nnamdi Kanu's matter. Anybody who is believing that they are not doing anything. Okay, now they said that they are looking to go and visit President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But the president went to the southeast, where everybody, all the meaning members of the southeast, the people of the Igbos, we expected the political leaders, the religious leaders, the traditional rulers to organize themselves and use that opportunity to make a demand, a firm demand from the president with a letter telling the president that the New Year gift you can give to the people of Southeast, the New Year gift you can give to the people of the Igbos is to unconditionally release Nnamdi Kanu and allow him to continue with his agitation. But that they never did. They went that place and praising the president, giving him title, praising him, even the ones that he never expected. I'm talking about servicemen. I heard them saying, so these are the things so anybody who is saying I learned that one said that they're trying to secure appointment, get a date with the President Ahmed Bola Tinubu for them to come and pay him because visit. But he visited them. He was in Enugu everybody was watching them. They never did anything. They said that they are commissioning project. Project for who? The people of Southeast that are not happy, that whose business has been destroyed as a result of sit at home, who are not happy because their son, who never committed anything, who is just a freedom fighter, is being incarcerated simply because he's from the Igbos. Those, the criminals that are committed obvious case, everybody know, are busy moving around freely. So what are we talking about? So they know that they don't have any case against Nnamdi Kanu. That's why they are running away from trial. That's why they refuse to come and make sure that the matter is being reassigned. So it's rather unfortunate. So that's why the update we want to. So anybody, if you are Igbos, you know how to pray, you can pray. You know what you can do, just to ensure that Nnamdi Kanu regain his freedom and continue with his agitation for self-determination and for the government to address all those issues that marginalize the people of the Igbos. So that is why we are in court. We believe that now that Netanyahu has made an order recusing herself, that order is still subsisting, is still in force. He has no the only authority that can set aside that order recusing herself is Court of Appeal and nothing more. I'll keep you posted. Thanks and God bless you. Maxwell Opera is my name. The Lego team, Nnamdi Kanu.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video. Now, enough is enough. Hey, election go soon dey come. People now started to shout, hey, release Nnamdi Kanu, release Nnamdi Kanu. As I said before, and the question that I asked in one of my videos, I said, if they could not raise alarm, if they could not talk to Buhari in a very serious way, will Buhari take them serious? Buhari will not take them serious because they are not even serious with Buhari. With their body language, it shows that they just want the public to know and the public to relax that, oh, they are asking for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. That is pretense. They understand the game very well and they are playing it. They know that a lot of people really love Nnamdi Kanu. And when anyone heard that this person is talking about the release of Nnamdi Kanu, people will easily come to that person. That person will easily, in fact, even qualify to be the governor. They will cast their vote for him because thinking that, okay, this person wants to enter, it is me. But if he enter, he will be waiting for her. He will go and complete the second tenure, still using Nnamdi Kanu. So enough is enough. People don't wise. Yes, if you really want to talk about the release of Nnamdi Kanu, you would have said it to Tinubu face to face when he visited Enugu State. A lot of them were there, if not all the governors, southeastern part of Nigeria, they were in that event. Ohaneze Digbo are in the event. Immediately after the event, say Ohaneze youth is calling for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. When nobody, absolutely nobody can question Tinubu concerning why Nnamdi Kanu is still there. So my beautiful family, what did I know? I'm just trying to keep it real. I'm just saying it the way it is. So please share this video and wait for more. See you in my other video. Bye for now.